Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Hoover brand washing machine and you're getting an error E03 on this machine. So what is this error and what can we do to get rid of it? So the E03 error is a drain error. So it means that the machine gives itself a certain amount of time to drain and it fails to drain. Because of that, you might also this error is very often accompanied with there being water in the machine when there's not supposed to be. So what you need to do is figure out why it's not draining. So there's two main culprits for this. Main culprit number one would be that your drain hose behind your machine, there's something wrong with it. So you want to check and make sure that that the hose itself is not kinked or bent or smushed or anything like that. You know, sometimes when you push your machine back up against the wall, if you push it too hard against the wall, you can end up kinking the hose and the water can't flow out. And so you want to also make sure there are no clogs in there or anything like that. You also want to make sure that where the hose goes into the drain, so it needs to be in there snugly, but there should be air can get through. It shouldn't be airtight, or that can prevent it from draining properly. Also, the pump pumps the water up and out. So it needs to pump it up, but it can't pump it too high. So you shouldn't have your drain too high in the air above your washing machine. And by the same token, you shouldn't use any kind of extensions or anything like that to pump the water farther than what is provided by the manufacturer, because that can overwork the pump and it won't work properly. So that should get rid of it. If that doesn't, you can check the actual pump itself, which is usually down at the bottom. You can access it down at the bottom and just make sure that there aren't anything blocking that pump from turning. Sometimes like a loose button or something can come off your clothing, get in the pump, prevent it from turning, and then it can't pump. So anyways, if you do those things, you should be able to get the water draining again, get rid of this error, and get your machine back working the way it should. Anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.